Hey, it's your favorite roofer, Todd with Sunbelt Roofs, coming to you from Matterie. Really great neighborhood, older neighborhood, but very well-built older homes. We're going to be doing a whole new roof here. This is a renovation with an addition, so this area where you see this enclosed trailer will become an addition. We're going to be demoing the brick chimneys down below the roof line. They're updating all their mechanicals. We're switching out the power vent to turbines. Going to be abandoning those old heater stacks, giving this place a facelift, brand new roof, all new drip edge, setting them up for kind of the rest of their life. They've been in this home since 1976. And they plan that this will be the home that they end their years in. So they're investing in a really good roof as well as an addition and just an overall update. But we'll keep you informed as this progresses. So again, your favorite roofer, Sunbelt Roofs.